Let's learn how to add VPN extensions to the Google Chrome browser. First step. First, make sure that everything is working properly and that you are connected to the internet. Next step is to open the browser of your choice. In this case, I will use Google Chrome. Now, you need to type in Chrome Web Store in the search bar. Wait for it to load and choose the first option. After that, in the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type in VPN extension. Wait for it to load the results. Browse through the list and choose a VPN extension that you prefer. For this example, I will choose this VPN. Click on the extension and then click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear. Click on Add Extension. Wait for it to download and install. It should take a few seconds if you have a good internet connection. Next step is to click on the puzzle icon on the top right corner of your Chrome browser, which opens the Extensions menu. Find the VPN extension you just installed, in this case, Hotspot Shield VPN, and click on the pin icon to pin it to your toolbar for easy access. Click on the VPN extension icon in the toolbar. Follow any setup instructions and log in if necessary. Choose the VPN server you would like to connect to and activate the VPN. I will not proceed with using the VPN because I already have it set up, but in the end it should work and look like this. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.